Hello YouTube, Upcoming Engineer 95 here with Solidworks Beginner Tutorials 1-4, Fillets, Chamfers, and Appearance. First we're going to go and open a new part. Sorry, my computer's been lagging for some reason today. It will load eventually. Okay, we're going to sketch a 10 inch by 10 inch by 10 inch cube, which shouldn't be nothing new if you watched the last video. I'm going to go kind of slow to just make sure you do understand. Okay, nothing new here. And then we're gonna take about a fourth of it, be an eighth of it out. Make a 5x5 square and extrude cut that 5 inches. And then we're going to make a circle on this side. Then we're going to make the diameter of that. Let's do 4 inches. And click OK. And then extrude cut that. Maybe. Wow. There we go. Through all. I'm sorry about my computer. First thing I'll show you is how to chamfer, which is the one I don't really use as much, but just go and get it out of the way. And what it does is it makes a straight line on all the edges. What I did is I did this pretty much, and it selects all the edges for you. So, or you can use the command tree and click which ones you want. So, but to make sure I get all of them, I'm just gonna do that. I don't know why this is not wanting the. Okay. Oh, normally that works. Don't know why it's not. Okay, so we just did that. We're gonna make it 0.25 and at 45 degrees. Go back to isometric. And there you go. See, it just makes a flat edge on all of the on all of the edges. Now we're going to get rid of that, and I'll show you what I will use more commonly, which is fillet. And you can do the same thing basically. Just get all the part in there, and we're going to do 0.5. Hit OK. And see, I like it rounds the edges off to a radius of whatever you tell it, 0.5, 3 inches, just depends on what the look you want and how big the part is. So now the third part of the video, we're going to go over appearance. Now what you do is you right click and you get appearances. Now you can click, you can either do the face that you clicked on, the feature which made the part, the body which is the body of the face that you clicked on, or the whole entire part. And for now we're just going to do, just do face. Now you can click on this face, and if you hold control down you can click several other faces. If you want. I think that's the harder way, personally. I like to do the body. Let's just make it red. And then we'll go here and you can right click on fillet and just use that fillet, make it black. I think that looks pretty cool. So what you've learned in 3 7-minute lessons, you can build this. I mean, as you can tell, it's not very hard whatsoever to do, and it looks pretty cool. You can use whatever colors you want. Red and black normally looks pretty cool. White's normally pretty cool. Whatever you want to do. You can also sketch a fillet, which I'll show in the next sketching tutorial. But for now, just I would use the features fillet instead of the other sketching fillet. So if you're good with everything up to now, go ahead and go on to 1.5, and I'll see you there.